In the back of your van, you'll see your outdoor shower by SprayAway. Just a turn opens the door, which gives you access to the valve and the hose connection. So it's a quick connect type of connection. You just gently press in, straightforward. You'll hear a nice satisfying click, and it is connected. On the other side of the hose, you'll see that any old sprayer will work.
This is like a garden hose thread?
Yep, standard thread for any garden hose sprayer. We will provide you with one, but rest assured you can switch it with anything you want. And if you're equipped with hot water, you will have hot water control and cold water. Again, if you don't have hot water, that just won't work. You will still have access to the cold water knob right here. So removing it, you want to make sure that your valves are off, nice and snug to the right. And if you have a sprayer on the end, you relieve the pressure by squeezing the valve. Make sure that there's no pressure in the hose itself. You firmly grab this collar here, press towards the front of the vehicle, you hear a click, and you gently pull straight backwards. As you use this, it will get easier and easier to pull in and out.